the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I got something. Check this out. So, Nissin Foods, since I do all these reviews and stuff, they send me like promo boxes and things like that. And they've got these new cup noodle stir fry varieties. They sent them in little to-go boxes. In fact, they sent a bag, like a paper sack, with a fake receipt stapled to it with a little message on it. And then they sent, inside were these stir fry. And they got a new flavor. It is hot garlic chicken. And let me tell you, that sounds really good. So I've already dismantled it. I had to take pictures last night. Some of you might find and take offense to that, but that's just what I do. You can't do that! Watch me. And yeah, if you're among those people who take offense to that, I think you're silly people. Well, I do. I'm just being honest. I guess honesty isn't always the best thing. I probably lost like... I hope you're not all that way. Anyway, I know you're not. So the line is low. These are broth free. So I've done other ones. I haven't done this one. Fill it to the line. Microwave it for 4 minutes. And let it stand for a minute. Stir and enjoy. So it must be, okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, no, I just need that additional one. Alright, let's load this up with water and let the happiest microwave in the world take the reins. Load it up. That's the line. Now it wants 1,000 watts, so I'll do my math magic. But time for math and magic. You know, I can do math in my head. Can you do math in your head? I certainly hope so. For your sake and the sake of others around you. Putting it in the microwave, doing the math, they want 4 minutes. So, boy, this is going to cut it close. Whoa! Cancel. 2, 3, 4 minutes, and I want it. And there we go, 4 minutes. See, it's 1250 watts. There's 10 levels, so that's 125 watts per level, logically. So level 8 would make sense as it calls for 1,000 watts. But I've found that doing that, it's still too much, so I go with 7. So 9. Mama Fukuendo speaks! Quotes from the man who invented the instant noodle. It's kind of like the Ferengi rules of acquisition for the instant noodle entrepreneur. 156. Businesses look best when they present themselves as they really are. It is when they act vainly and try to put on tuxedos that don't even fit them, that things begin to go astray. Yeah. They do that a lot these days, though. I mean, you go watch a commercial for, like, I don't know, staplers, and they're running around and dancing and freaking out. I don't know. The marketing world is a world of amazing lying. Hi, Mimi. How you doing? Come in. Say hi to the nice people in TV land. Are you excited? You got school in a few minutes. You gonna see a friend?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My friend Sage.
Yeah, your friend Sage. You stoked? Whoa, careful there. Watch where you're going. Gonna fall over a box of noodles. Alright, well head back out there and I'll be out in a minute. And yeah. Love you. My little girl, ladies and gentlemen. It was so funny. I took her to H Mart the other day. And it was a blast. Just me and her went in. She was just saying hi to everybody, and they're like, when she says hi to anybody, they just grin. They just get this big happy look on their face. It's like, I like that. That's good. I hope it's always that way. I mean, you never know. It could have been that way at the beginning with Donald Trump, but I have a feeling it wasn't. Speaking of that guy, oh, we have 23 hours and 15 minutes until he's no longer president. I'm gonna miss him. Yeah, I'm really gonna miss him. I just love to not stand that guy. I love to hate his guts. It's great. And yeah. I've got to say, as a news junkie, this is going to just turn into the next 4 years are going to be so dull. Yeah. It's been an epic era. You know how many people are out of work now because they cut off his Twitters? Wow. A lot, I'm sure. And 1 minute. Let me shut this thing off because it's noisy. Full of noisy. Smells good. I smell garlic. I like that. Fuego means fire. Is that okay to do that? Is that alright? I hope so. We have 18 seconds left. We have 23 hours and 13 minutes left of Great Leader. Yeah, I think it's funny. Melania Trump did a farewell video saying about how much she loved being in the White House. There was like recorded stuff of her like complaining about being the first lady. It's great. Yeah, I wish. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. It sucked up all the water. Yeah, that is sciencey. See? Drank all the water. Like the water drinking bird. That worked. Yeah, it sucked up all the water just the right way. It's a little brothy. I mean, not really broth. Yeah, it's a little brothy, but it's not as brothy as you might think it would be. But I think my depth plate should work. Or plate has depth. Let's give this a try. It's hot, I can tell you that much. Look at that. Rotate this thing. Oh yeah, I know she's got school on. I'm aware. Ooh, it does have a little burn to it. Try another bite. It distracted my tastatitude. I like the texture of the noodles. It's good, but I want more. I want more of that flavor that it's got. It's a good flavor, but I want more. More. Give me more. The Korean barbecue one. That one's got flavor for days. Alright. Here we go. It's got a lot of vegetable. Right, I like that. Coriander. I guess since this is a variety made in the US, we can call it cilantro. And some chilken, which most people refer to as chilken. Down in the middle of it. There's some chicken that I baked in the oven yesterday. Italian breadcrumbs and Cavender's Greek seasoning. An apt pairing, I assure you. And what else are we going to add into this? We're going to use some sesame seeds. This one sounds kind of Spice Girls-y, doesn't it? And a little bit of pepper flake. Wish I had some pineapple. That'd go good on it. Pineapple, maybe some dried persimmon. That was kind of a neat thing to experiment with recently. Yeah. Ramen. Chop. is about it for me for today. Yeah, they've got this hot garlic one. They've also got a new teriyaki chicken that you can check out at Amazon, Walmart, everywhere you go and get noodles. I have it. There you go. All right, well, thanks for watching. Time for school. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.